Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to create and use labels in Gmail. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Now, if you go to the Gmail app and press on the three lines on the upper left corner of the screen, you can see here that there is no way to create a folder or label, but there is a workaround. Using your browser, open gmail.com and make sure that you are enabled to desktop site. So to make it in the desktop site, press the three dots on the upper right corner. Then you see here there is a check on desktop site. So it's already on the desktop site. So to create a new label, let's go to the left part here. And you see here, create new labels. Now, you can enter the new label name. And as you can see here, you can also make a subfolder. Now, you can press create. And now, you can already see here in the labels your created folder or label in Gmail. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!